Welcome to Vsmile, where every smile began with precision. We're a dental material company from China, trusted by 6,000 labs in over 100 countries. Let us show you how world-class Zirconia blocks are made. It all starts here with ultra-pure Zirconia powder. We control every variable: humidity, granularity, blend ratio, because clinical reliability began at the molecular level. Each disc is compacted with 60 tons of force, then cooled at static press at 300 MPa, equal to 30,000 kilometers underwater. That's how we build internal strength from inside out. At 1020 degrees per centering locks in stability. From fragile to resilient, this is the moment Zirconia becomes mill-ready. We machine each block to exacting specs. Diameter, thickness, and shrinkage ratio calibrate to perfection. Then it's tested across 100 checkpoints: shade, translucency, strength, uniformity. When we say zero compromise, we mean it. Laser marked, barcode traceable, protected with industrial-grade packaging. From our hand to your lab, wherever in the world that may be. To us, the Zirconia block is more than material. It's trust, precision, peace of mind, built into every case. This is Vsmile, made in China, trusted by the world.